Hey guys, welcome to Technicals of Crypto. Let's quickly talk about Bitcoin and its update. So, as mentioned in my previous video, this was Bitcoin over here, and yes, this trend line is now validated as it is connecting 3 points in the chart. So, what could we expect next? The next which we could expect from BTC is giving us a slight relief from this point and trying to retest or trying to break this support at first and then eventually trying for 60 or 58,000 in the long run. And then I could also see, as I mentioned yesterday, a head and shoulder pattern like this, and then in maybe February or March break this trend line and again retest 40,000 or maybe 30,000 as well if we are into the bear market. So let's see Bitcoin in the 4-hour chart. Yeah, also I wanted to show you guys the diversion of MACD which is forming over here, and yes, we can expect a good divergence till February in this MACD indicator. So yes, we are a bit bullish, but in the long term, like in the weekly chart, we are still bearish. But in a relatively smaller time frame, we could see a relief and a bounce to near about 58 first to 52,000, trying to break this support, and then eventually to 60,000. So let's see BTC on the 4-hour chart. In the 4-hour chart, as we can see, we are still in a falling wedge type condition, and once this falling wedge breaks out with good volume, then we are good to go on the daily RSI and also the daily MACD divergence. So that will be the point where we can expect a good bounce to this 52-53 level, and then eventually try breaking it upwards. Yeah, that was the Bitcoin update. Also, let's quickly talk about Atom. So in Atom, what we are seeing is after making it to a high of 43 and coming a bit and again retesting 43, it got rejected and it got a bad rejection, and it is in a falling condition since it got rejected from this resistance. So what could Atom do next? I think currently it is forming a falling wedge like this, a channel, and it could stay in this channel, consolidate, maybe it could come to 17, 17.8, 17.5, and then we could have a target to 28. What could be the buying zone? I think let it consolidate over this region, create some patterns, and then once we break out of that particular pattern or a trend line, then we can say then that would be our buy zone or a trade zone to the next resistance of 28. Once we do break 28, we have a resistance of 32, and eventually we have a huge resistance over here of 43, 42. So that will be in a longer time frame, near about 2 to 3 months time frame, and we could see Atom coming down to near about 18 to 17 as well. So keep your USDTs intact in place. In case Atom falls, Atom is a very good buy. In case it falls to near about 17, it would be a very good buy. I have been bought near about 20, 27. I have put my buy levels in these levels, 20.5, and I did book some profit over here. But yeah, in the long run, I would suggest holding Atom, as it is a very good project and do have a bright future. Okay, that's all. Thank you for watching, guys.